Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we will unboxing a Bandai kit from SG Mobile Set GQ. These are expansion set for the Red Gundam. So this is the Red Gundam. So this is the expansion set for this kit lah. So we have here got a stand here, and it's like a expansion parts. Got two type of bazooka. This it's like a RX beam effect, and then this got this another four beats. And then this is the content of the set here. This one. So original this one only have two, but you got another four, so you can do display like this. Got 6 left and right. So what inside here? First we have a manual. 1, 2, 3 packs. First we have the base, small action base. I think this one for the beat. Got X, and this one like a Zaku bazooka, and this expansion for you to attach 3 bits at the same time, so you can display 6 bits in this hand option. So this for the bazooka parts, got a hand option here. It's a visible effect parts. Sorry, beam rifle effect parts. So clipping, and last part here I think for the bead. So you got 2 runner H for the 2 bits, so total 4 bits here, and also this for the bits parts, runner G. So that's for the runner. Then this is the manual. So you got all the runner parts here, and this is the first beats. You got 4 set for the beats. Then you can attach like this one. This is the main unit. Come with 2 bits. So you need to remove this part, and the back part attached to the triangle. Then you can attach back the back part here, so they become 4. Three for each side. Then you attach to the shoulder parts. Okay, then this action base for the beats. Then we got bazooka. So the RX bazooka, this is Zaku bazooka. And then this is for the beam saber handle, not for the gun. Okay, I think that's all for the unboxing. Video speed build and review later. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.